Hello guys, welcome to our new class. Here we will learn Hindi through English, and today's class is about colors and how do we take the names of colors in Hindi. So today I'm gonna teach you 15 such colors name. First I will speak in English, then I speak in Hindi. And whenever I speak in Hindi, you guys have to repeat after me. And I also write each sentence in Hindi in each and every video because I want you to get familiar with Hindi writing. So guys, let's start. Names of colors. Rangon ke naam. Guys, you have to take a look at this. I have written each word and its explanation in Hindi. It will be very informative for you, okay? So, names of colors. रंगों के नाम. रंगों के नाम. Black. काला. काला. White. सफेद. सफेद. Blue. नीला. नीला. Yellow. पीला. पीला. Green. हरा. हरा. Pink. गुलाबी. गुलाबी. ब्राउन. बादामी और भूरा. बादामी और भूरा. ऑरेंज. नारंगी. नारंगी. स्काई ब्लू. आसमानी. आसमानी. ग्रे. स्लेटी. स्लेटी. रेड. लाल. लाल. पर्पल और वॉलेट. बैंगनी. बैंगनी. नेवी ब्लू. गहरा नीला. गहरा नीला. Here we use gehra for deep. We can define many colors with this word like gehra gulabi means deep pink. As same we use halka for light. Example, halka gulabi means light pink. Golden. सुनहरा. सुनहरा. सिल्वर. चांदी. चांदी. Friends, I would like to tell you one thing in the end of the video. In our India, colors are seen by connecting with happiness. So I wish that your life also be full of colors and happiness. I think I'm straying from the point. So guys, this was today's video. Hope you guys are liking my tutorials and don't forget to practice and don't forget to subscribe because I need your support. Do like, do subscribe, do comment and share with your friends. Bye bye. Take care. Love you all.